Okay guys, so if this summer you want to save energy or power or electric, the best thing to do in your yard, you can boil soup with beef bones with sausages. So this is the only tip, and not no too much fire in the bottom, only reheat. See, it's steam. Only steam your food. Okay, it's boiling. No cost of power to save your money. So that is your tip for today. How to cook without energy or power to save your utilities bills. So that's all I can say to share to you. If you have a backyard like this, you can cook here. You can use wheelbarrows, stones, or some portable cooking stand like this. Okay? That's what I will do if I'm grilling the beef or pork. I'm using this, so the heat directly from the hole. Okay, so there's a grill is there. So every time you working like a carpentry for your projects to make money this summer, see, it's no problem. Every time I use this. Okay, 2 feet below the fire. Okay, so I'm always using this. My portable fabricated uh, grill stand with metal. It's fabricated. I always use this if if I'm cooking barbecue or cooking corn. So that's all I can say to save your money in December instead wasting your money for the bills. Okay. So after boiling this, so tips again, another tips. If you have lots of woods like this, you can use this for uh, what's this? It's a tree. It's that's the tree. Also, I make own charcoal with with this coming from the bed bugs couch. I dismantled last other day, and the other woods old there I'm using in the winter for cooking, bonfire. So now I'm using this that one on the top. It's good woods for cooking. It's burning. See, to save your money. See, I'm using my old, not necessary woods, small, big, large. Okay, so I'm using a paper also or cardboards to my stock to save only the money. Okay, that's the only tips for you guys. So if you have a if you like more videos coming from my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe or click the notification bell for our latest video for this week and the following next week and next month. Okay, see you guys. So I hope you like it, these tips. If you're a backyard like this, okay, surrounding by woods, uh, having you cooking or making a table or restoring or painting to make money also for this summer is the only tips for you. So subscribe and click the notification bell for our upcoming latest video for this week and next week. Okay, see you guys. That's all the tips for you. See, save money. I use paper. So save woods, right? See, beef balls plus sausages. For now, I'm using couple of foods or paper just to make boiling. Okay, see, steam only, no need direct fire. It's save for your money. Okay, so okay, see you guys, and that's all.